Hello everyone, I'm Hannah Collins, physical therapist, and today I want to show you Lemagalu bed rail. It's a very safety and helpful tools for the people. Assembly is very simple, tool-free. Let's install together, step by step. The Lemagalu bed rail comes with everything. Armrest tubes, H-bar, under mattress frame and leg support, plus accessories and instruction. Connect the armrest tubes to the H-bar. Fix them to the short bolts and nuts. Now let's assemble the main armrest. The longer tube on the higher. Let's attach the top handle. Use the longer bolt with a hex wrench. Next, adjust the height of the handle for your comfortable. Find your ideal height and fix with the C clips. And after, use a T screws to fix your handle. Time to assemble the frames that goes under the mattress. Connect the level plates 1 to 1, 2 to 2, and 3 to 3. And you're done to the frame. Customize height with your mattress and bed. And fix fabric with a C-clip. Adjust the position based on your mattress thickness. Ideally, the lower adjustable bar should be level with or slightly above the top surface of the mattress. Now let's finish by installing with the support legs. Adjust them according to your bed's height. Then twist and set them securely into the base. Your Lemagalu bed rail is now fully assembled. You can strap the safety rail or storage bag on your Lemagalu. Around the handrail. Install the safety strap to secure the rail to your bed frame for more stability. And that's it. Quick, simple and tool-free. Thanks for watching and stay safe and sleep well.